Hey guys, it's Garvin's Garage, and today we're installing a tailgate assist for a 2003 Dodge Ram, and I'm guessing it works for all third gens. And this is all it comes with. This is the shock, and then it comes with a little thing of Loctite we have extra, and then it comes with the tool to remove this and the bolt on the other side that holds on the cable. It comes with the hardware and the thing that prevents it from rubbing up and getting lodged in there, and a set of instructions. Then you'll need this, and then we're going to use some anti-seize, and you're going to need a ruler, and that's all. The first step is to make the top of the washer 3/4 of an inch away from the head of the bolt. Now what you want to do is install the blind nut. I highly recommend putting on anti-seize so it doesn't cause corrosion or anything getting stuck. And what you want to do is install it into the open hole on the left side of your truck. And then just tap it in there because it's kind of hard. And then on to the next step. Now what you want to do is install the nutsert by holding a 10mm wrench on the nut and then tightening this in an initial 9 360-degree turns. And then after that, if the nutsert is still loose, you can go on to tightening it 1 or 2 more turns until the nutsert is fully tight. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now you have to put Loctite on here, put a good amount, and then we have to thread it into there. This also acts as a thread protecting against rust, so we're just going to use a liberal amount. And then it says tighten it down to 8 foot-pounds, so don't go very tight on it. And that's good. There you go. Now all you have to do is remove this cable, and there's a little tab that you need to pull off, and then push it under it, and then just lift off. And then grab the included Torx bit and unscrew this. Once you have the old bolt off, install your new bolt, and then grab a 17mm wrench, but we don't have one, so we're just using a crescent wrench. And then just tighten it up, and the other one was really tight, so you can do this one pretty tight also. Now once you have this bolt threaded in, you just want to put this back in, and what you have to do is pull the tab to get it into place. Slide it on, and then just bend this tab back just so it doesn't come undone, and then you're good. Okay, now you have to remove this bolt to pull this off to remove the back limiter for the strap so it doesn't fall too far down. So now you're not going to need this anymore. You'll just remove this. Once you remove the retaining nut, the flat retaining nut, all you do is slide this off, and then you get a pliers on here, and then unthread it while someone else holds it, or you can put it in a vise. And then we put anti-seize on the threads, and then all you do is just thread it back in, and then we'll go to the next step. Now once you have that tightened up down there, you want to set your ruler up against this metal part at the start of the cable and measure 3.5 inches down, which is right there, and then just hold it in place, and then grab your pliers and pinch it into place. Now once you have the clip put on, just put anti-seize on the little pivots, and then you can just snap it into place on the top one, and then the bottom one you're gonna have to lift up a little, and then snap this one into place also. And then you can let it down. And then it's all done. That's it for Garvin's Garage. Click here to watch our last video, and click here to subscribe.